Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to lock and unlock objects in CorelDRAW. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best you can use CorelDRAW. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back first to the Corel workspace. So right here in CorelDRAW, I have different objects such as circle, triangle, arrow, and phone icon, and work lock icon. Now, how do we lock this particular object? Let's, for instance, we are walking around with some of the objects and we don't want to mess up with our workspace in CorelDRAW. That is the more reason why we lock and unlock an object in CorelDRAW. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you make the object you want to lock active. Now, the next thing you need to do is to simply right click on the object and make sure you choose lock. So with that, you are going to have a padlock around the object. And by the time you want to drag anything, it's not going to move simply because the object has been fully locked. Okay. Now let's see how we can lock circle. So is this the same process? Make the circle active, right click on it, and then make sure you click lock. With that, the circle is going to lock. This same procedure can be applied to text or image or whatever type of file in CorelDRAW. Lastly, if you want to unlock the object or shape or text or image in CorelDRAW, what you need to do is to simply right click on the object and make sure you choose unlock. And then after you unlock, then you can begin to drag the object to anywhere in your workspace in CorelDRAW. So this is what I have for you as far as how to lock and unlock your object, text or image in CorelDRAW. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best you can use CorelDRAW. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.